Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can delete undeletable files or folders in Windows 11. Do note I'm doing this on Windows 10 because I don't have Windows 11, and this will also be the same process for Windows 11. First of all, make sure you close all the programs. In your taskbar you can navigate that, make sure to close window, and then you want to head on to your task manager and end task on the apps that has been running. And also in the background process, make sure you end task on the application or software you want to delete. On the hidden icons, this is another place where you need to close some of your softwares, because it just doesn't work if you close it on the taskbar. So for Steam, I close Steam here, close window, and then Steam is still there. I still can't delete Steam. So make sure you exit Steam to for the software to be fully not running for you to be able to delete. So that is how you delete undeletable files or folders in Windows 11.